Get inside. Get inside. Get in. I'll tell you to get in the closet. Get in the closet, okay? I know it is. I know it is. I know it is. I don't know what it is. Oh my God. Christian, get inside. Get inside. Christian, be careful, man. Get inside. No, it's not. It's coming right over here. It's coming right here. I know it is. I know it is. I mean, I'm fucking shaking right now. Holy shit. Christian. Christian, come on. I cannot believe that. Oh my. I know, no, I've seen it before. I'm just scared, dude. Like, I've seen that before. Not that close though, not that fucking close. I know, dude, that's what I told you. It was right there, it was coming right here. I told you it was coming. It just passed us, literally. Like,
that's fucking crazy.
I know, dude, I know. Like, oh my God, you see that? Holy shit. Holy shit. Dude, it literally just passed us, like, right here. Like,
yo, I like heard y'all like run in, and I was like, what the fuck are they screaming about out there? Like, it was like honestly, like it was like right behind the house.
It was right, dude. I got on video, man. I got on video.